This is the SoCal Update. I'm Kara Santamaria. Residents are still suffering from the LAPD's disastrous firework detonation ahead of July 4th that injured and displaced dozens of people. It's Wednesday, September 1st. An LA City Council member wants to set up a relief fund for victims of the botched LAPD fireworks detonation that tore through historic South Central on June 30th. KPCC's Robert Garova has been following. So, Robert, remind us where things stand since the explosion.
So it's now been more than 2 months since the LAPD failed to safely detonate part of a cache of more than 32,000 pounds of illegal fireworks, causing an explosion that ripped through the neighborhood around 27th Street in San Pedro in the historic South Central neighborhood. The explosion injured 17 people, displaced dozens, and caused severe damage to homes and businesses. According to Councilman Curran Price, there are still about 60 people who are living in a hotel paid for by a $1 million fund that his office set up.
Okay, so now Councilman Price wants to go further?
Yeah, so he introduced a motion today that will have to get a vote from the full council down the road. He wants to see at least $5 million go towards a recovery fund for the neighborhood. And he wants city officials and partners to come up with a plan for how to spend that money within 30 days. He's imagining that money could go towards a range of things like business grants, mental health services, possibly a guaranteed basic income program. I spoke with an activist and vice president of the South Central Neighborhood Council, and he said if this money is approved, it would be a good start. But he said that the majority of affected residents still don't have their homes repaired after more than 60 days. And he said he believed that wouldn't fly in wealthier neighborhoods. He said people are becoming furious about the situation. He also agreed with Councilman Price that some of the proposed funds should come from the LAPD's budget.
Thanks, Robert.